I'm going to teach you how to use SUMIF function. As you know, SUMIF function is used when you have more than two conditions. You can have either two conditions or criteria, or you can have more than two criteria. So if you want to sum up some data but you have many conditions, or you have more than two conditions, use SUMIF function. SUMIF function adds all the arguments that meet multiple criteria. Can meet either two criteria or meet more than two criteria. For example, today I have regions, I have seller, I have sales, I have condition for the region, condition for the sellers. Yeah. Or cost, let's say this one, cost. I want to sum up the val in column C, which correspond to the val in column A, which is equal to D, which is equal to the data in column D, and which is greater than the value, either greater than 100, greater than 1000, greater than 2000, greater than 3000, 5000, and so on. As you can see the formula, you can use this formula to find or to make summation of the data in column C, which correspond to the data in column A, but which is less than 100, 1000, 2000, 3000, 5000, and so on. Start with the equal sign, then SUMIFS. SUMIFS, this one. This one is the first range. I want to sum up the data in this column, comma. This one, condition range 2. And in this range, select this one, comma, then this, comma, then this one. So this means that I will sum up the data in column C, which correspond to the data in column A, which is equal to the data in column D, but which is less than 100. So because when I drag it, I want this range to remain as it is without changing. Use $sign, close by using $sign, close by using $sign. So now the range cannot move. Yes, as you can see now. So this means that take the data in column A, which correspond to the data in column D, and which is greater than 100. So summation of the data in column C, which correspond to the data in column A, which is equal to the data in column D, and which is greater than 100. Yes, as you can see. So it means this answer is due to the value in this one, which correspond to the songwe, which is greater than 100. Let's say greater than 500, 5,000, 0. There is no data which is equal to Songwe and which is its value is greater than 5,000. As you can see, Songwe 100, and when you change this one, let's say to 2,000 also, there's no, but 1,000 there is. Also, when I say which is equal, I can use equal, which is equal to 100. No. Let's say which is greater. There is no the data which is greater than this. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more videos from this channel. Like, share, and comment. See you in the next video.